I feel like you're gonna have a blast while editing this.
Hey everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special guest.
Hi, I'm Adelaine. And I'm not used to having like a calm intro. You're so calm and like collected. I'm like, hi guys! Oh my god! They're already like, click off the video.
Well, if you guys don't know who Adelaine is, then like, where have you been? Her channel is literally the happiest place on earth.
Thank you!
So for today, I thought we would do a little drawing. She did a video over on her vlog channel where she recreated my bullet journal spread, the one for July.
It was
sunflowers.
Amazing with sunflowers and yellow, and it's my favorite
Yeah,
thing
which
ever.
is very on brand for her. As soon as I saw it, I was like, of course she did that. Like, that's just her. And I was like, I could not go through this month without having her on my channel. Today we're gonna do the blindfolded drawing challenge. Are you nervous?
It's just like, do you like?
I don't know. This could either go like really good or really bad.
Because when I was in high school, we did this thing where we couldn't look at the page, we had to like draw something out, and I remember I drew like a face or something, and I remember it was so bad. It literally looked like a like.
See, but you've had practice. I don't even know where this is gonna go. So I thought, since we have both already done our July bullet journal covers with the sunflowers and the yellow, we would just try to do it again, except blindfolded. And we'll see how it compares to the actual ones that we did with our eyeballs, you know? We have all of our colors. We have the yellow. This is like what I imagine all of Adelaine's art supplies look like.
Wait, are we picking the colors blindfolded as well?
Yes.
No, you know what it reminds me of? Like an octopus.
Oh yeah,
Like with the tentacles.
it's like, you know when you're a kid and you like connected all the Crayolas to make like swords? So we have all the colors that we need. We're gonna be picking the colors blindfolded as well. I did separate it out so that at least it ends up looking
it'll look
somewhat
kind of
like a sunflower. But we just won't know like what yellow or what green we're using. Alright, so I'm gonna go get the blindfolds and we're gonna get started. This is future Amanda. Just a warning, I was really stupid and had the camera's autofocus set to facial recognition, but we were blindfolded. I know, very smart of me, but because of this, some shots are out of focus. I'm so sorry, please forgive me. Still watch the video. I hope it's not too distracting. Okay, back to the video.
I already forgot where everything is.
I'm scrambling it so that you
got
don't remember. What's your strategy? Like flowers first? Oh god.
How do you think you're doing?
Oh god, this is actually hard.
I don't even know if I'm going around in the circle.
This is gonna be like very silent because we're both probably so focused.
I'm focused. We got this.
Okay, we have to pool all of our creative energy together.
Yes.
Alright, I'm actually feeling good right now.
I'm not. I feel like I'm just scribbling over the same thing.
Wait, did you start with like yellow or black?
Black.
Okay, me too.
Hopefully it doesn't like smudge.
That's a struggle even when you have your eyes available.
I know!
But now that
It's
we're
a struggle.
blindfolded, yeah.
No matter what.
Okay, so I have my flowers down.
I wish that I did one flower at a time. I did all the circles, and then now I did all the stems, and then now I'm like, wait, where did I put the... Okay, do you think you could feel the ink?
Oh, let's like smell it. Like a dog using all the senses. Yeah, that's actually smart. I should have just done like one flower with the stem. Okay, I think that's where one of them was.
I'm going in confidence. We
Yeah.
got this. Okay, yeah, I'm grabbing the yellow.
Oh,
I'm looking for one that's a Crayola. Hopefully this is a good color yellow. Oh my god, I wish I did one flower at a time. Now I'm like, I don't know where to put everything.
I know, we really should have strategized before this, because now...
I can't even feel the ink. Like...
I don't think you're supposed to be able
Wait,
to
let me outline it.
Alright, so I have some leaves down too, so I think I'm good. I'm gonna go for yellow as well. Just all of my markers are gonna be like all blended together.
We're going for a huge splash of yellow.
I
That's
wouldn't
what I'm
expect
going for.
anything less from you. Okay. I hope I'm putting it back in the right jar, or else it's just gonna mess both of us up. Okay, so I know that these are like Crayola markers. I would know these from a mile away because I use them every single day.
And you can smell them.
Oh, I didn't even know they had a specific smell.
Did they?
I think the old
No,
school
it's the
ones, like the
Sharpies. The Sharpies have the
do,
smell.
yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't know what type of yellow it is. It could be like a poo brown or something.
Yeah. Okay. I got a green. If you didn't put a yellow in the green section.
It just ends up all yellow. Okay. I mean, I don't think you'd be mad about that.
No, I wouldn't.
Oh my god, I forgot to do like the center of the circles.
You messed me up! I got your finger!
I'm crossing over into the boundaries. Ooh, that's gonna be so hard.
What are you trying to find?
A specific marker. Wait.
Oh wait, are you looking for yellow or green?
I was looking for green, but I think I was in the yellow.
You were!
All around me are familiar.
We're just gonna have to go with this one.
Is there a yellow Lego?
Oh no, I think this flower's like there. Oh no. I think as time goes on, like my awareness of like where I am on the page is just getting worse and worse. So quiet.
Yeah, I'm just focusing, you know? I'm feeling confident. I feel like mine did it. Like
You're done?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I just need to write July.
It's like one of the first things that I wrote.
Blindfolded calligraphy is gonna be interesting. No, I thought this was a brush pen, but it's not. There it is. Okay.
You're so... I don't even hear you coloring.
Yeah, Adelaine's coloring is slightly aggressive and it's really worrying me. I'm scared.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
No!
No!
Answering my phone blindfolded.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I think I'm ready.
Okay. Should we take it off and
Yeah.
count of three?
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Wow! Wait, why is yours like actually
Wait!
good? Why is yours actually good?
Oh my god!
What?
Wait, I'm actually really impressed with myself.
You
This
know,
is why
this-
it was really aggressive.
You know, yours is
See
so
both
good.
of our
I
visions.
feel like you literally like got it. Like you got all the flowers. Did you do that?
Yeah, I thought I was drawing on your page. I was like, oh, I'm gonna be sneaky and draw a smiley face on her page. Did you do these? Oh, I thought this was my smiley.
Oh
I was both trying to be trolls.
Yeah, yeah.
I can see
Yeah.
what you were trying to go for.
Yeah. Mine's like, this is a Chanel versus Walmart version. Mine
Just a
is better
constant
than
reminder.
Amanda's.
Just a constant reminder.
I also wrote Ariana's Queen, but I think I smudged it.
Yeah, I know. I was like trying to feel all the pens. I wish we had like more variety of different like colors because I feel like the yellows like actually
I
turned
would
out
have
well.
messed up so bad. So bad if we had more colors.
Oh, high five, we did good.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys had fun. Like, let us know what you thought of this compared to the ones that we did like with our eyes. I'll have like picture comparisons. But we're gonna do like a quick little video over on Adeline's vlog channel, so I'm gonna link it down below. Go check it out. And I'll also link her original like bullet journal video that she did.
I mean, recreating.
Yeah, the one that she did using her eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So subscribe, like, comment,
Subscribe,
all of the
like,
things.
comment,
Yeah.
post notification bell, all notifications. There's so many.
All of that.
so
Do
many
it.
things.
Do it all.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.